The PostMate 5 processes jobs at a speed of 4,800 forms per hour, offering a monthly duty cycle of 50,000 forms. This is an affordable and reliable solution for high-volume mailers. The PostMate 5 offers a range of fold settings for various folding types, such as Z-fold, C-fold, V-fold, and double. The innovative fold drum unit offers a simple way of changing fold settings simply by operating the red and blue lever. The PostMate 5, developed by a company specializing in pressure seal, offers a separable folding unit that slides out of the main body unit that allows you to obtain full accessibility to the press rollers for maintenance, and in the event of a jam, its reversible motor automatically removes any paper jams off the press rollers that may be caused by double feeding. This minimizes any hassles for the machine operators. The manual feed function of the PostMate 5 can process and flatten crumpled forms simply and tidily. The PostMate 5 is the most economic of Welltec Systems pressure sealers in regards to its advanced functions, allowing operators to easily carry out self-maintenance.